Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, we'd like to talk about a Quant QNT targets updates with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Guys, highly recommend you go and check the main bull run plan video for the Quant. And today, I want to show you the updates. If we will see the uptrend move of this summer, because like you can see, we form it 1, 2, and the third months, for example, June, can be also the bullish one, especially if the BTC dominance will go down. So I'm more bullish than bearish for this summer because we saw a lot of examples when the crowd, built some predictions based on previous patterns. But it's not happen all the time, right? It's not always sell in May. And now, like you can see that May basically ended and BTC hit new all-time high. So yes, with institutional guys, everything totally different, absolutely different. We can't just copy paste the previous cycles. But what I can recommend you guys, don't build the crazy expectations for all of these altcoins, because the amount of altcoins in 2021 and this just random patterns, just when the token, any single token, right, pump like crazy previous cycle, it doesn't have to repeat it one more time this run, because now we got millions or even the billions, maybe the tokens exist, especially in the meme sector, and liquidity just inflow, and there is no new money. And now there is no COVID, no printed money, nothing. So we just work with the liquidity flow from one sector to another one. That's why, guys, always build a realistic price target, and I'm always about the safety trade. So if you put some money on this kind of difficult market, 100% profit, you withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, forget about this one. So, and if the token come back to your entry, you can accumulate just more tokens. So guys, Quant is one of not so many tokens which almost, let's say, almost 100% tokens into the market. 99.5% of supply into the market, only 14.5 million. So FDV, market capitalization almost equal, everything okay. No vesting share on nothing, guys. If we check the fundraising rounds, you can track it here. $1.10 was in 2018, and of course you can only imagine the profit of the big guys, because this is on a Gate.io, February 2021, listing price $30, lowest point in May 2021, $25. And here, why? One more time, when the people think every single token should pump 5,000% gains. Take a look, the bull run ended for the Quant last cycle, September 2021 at $428 on the Gate.io, and it was only 1,600%. But guys, for the guys who invested on ICO, it was a crazy gains. That's why, guys, always build a realistic price target. And of course, this token now become more heavy because all tokens in circular supply. We can track the market capitalization here. So around, I guess, 5 billion market cap was at the top, right? So it's more than real to see the basically new all-time high for this token. But if we talk about new all-time high, here was the lowest point. Let's mark it here in June 2022. From the low, 1,600% gains, just approximately, guys. It can be around here. So around $700. It's more than real to see these targets, guys. And if it's okay for you, you can accumulate it. Take a look from these current prices. It will be only 500%. Just in case. For me personally, all this price movement, looks like one big range. So it was a drop, consolidation, and like you can see the reaction at the monthly gap. This monthly gap, personally for me, like a magnet. I'm not investing in Quant. I'm not accumulated. I'm not even tracks off in this token. Just be real. I just made a bull run plan for this token, and I saw in the comment section somebody asked it for the updates. So we passed the yearly open. A lot of tokens now only on the way to test the yearly open, and like you can see, we passed this one. Technically, we can go to sweep this high. After that will be this liquidity pool and all-time high. But would be good, and I would be not surprised, if we will go like this one by, I don't know, it's hard to say, by June or July. I can't predict the timing. And some correction, some pullback down and new all-time high. Maybe we will form just a deviation at the top and crash it down one more time. So we can't know, guys. That's why to buy at the top of the breaking out right of the top, it's not a good idea. So of course, everybody trade a classic TA, right? And when we break some all-time high, only the sky is the limit. But guys, it's kind of heavy token, to pump so high, right? By market capitalization. So locally, of course, this is a 171. It's a break of structure. We need to break this structure, and a road will be open to test the monthly gap. All these impurities looks like one big range. So if we even use the FIB for this range here and extended lines right here, you can find out how the price respect the levels and how the price reacts on levels. This is it. Here was a 2 test of 0.5 and drop, bounce. Now, if we reject at $134, right, we can drop one more time down. But looks like double bottom, right? So the size of this double bottom will be especially over than 250, I guess. That's why we can delete it. I don't think so we will drop once again to $73 to the monthly open, but who knows. Check, guys, with my custom indicator set, what's going on now. Here was main accumulation for Quant. The price was around $50. After that, we not formed deviation, not deviation, not divergence, nothing. So just main accumulation was here. And crazy without any crazy distribution. Kind of interesting. The main distribution was here at 170. Crash it down. So now, like you can see, we start form the divergence, and it will be the healthy normal divergence if we will form something like this one to the top, right? Maybe like this one to the top, divergence, and maybe just deviation 500 and drop it down into a new bear market. That's why, guys, magnet, it's a monthly gap. I'm not a fan to buy at these current prices like this one, because to next trouble area monthly gap, it's only 124%. So let's be real, guys, a lot of tokens get a more potential than Quant now. Here, this was a capitulation, apria. Time to buy, based on direction. This is like optimism on the markets. Direction, we can close, ADZ, we can close. Money power, guys. Here, the whales, you can track all these blue columns. It's a money inflow. You can use it and track it on the history, how it played out before. It was a money outflow, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money inflow. So in average, it was like 65, 67 dollars. So usually what I realize, if 67, so let's say, it's average entry at $100, most likely we will see some seller pressure. 135. Exactly, once again, at equilibrium of this range. We will see. Globally, guys, I believe the Quant can hit the new all-time high. Trade on. Only sales, basically only sales. Sell, buy back. So I repeat again. So if we will see the drop, yes, it can be even the local double bottom. The size anyway will be like a magnet monthly gap. And the last indicator, guys, is take profit Fundamental value, buy line. Now, locally, take a look. The take profit line on the quant, now it's on a weekly. $125. Fundamental exit line, 140. So it's good. Why we have to drop now to the buy line again, I don't see any reason. Right, more than enough time, you know, in the accumulation zone. Since the drop in June 22, over the 1,078 days in just the chop, just in accumulation. The whales also needed time for distribution. What's the point to accumulate a token if you can't distribute it, take a profit? You needed to put the price higher to distribute it step by step. Agreed. So this is a daily. Daily, guys, of course, we probably today will touch the exit line. It's 120 and 77 cents. Should we drop once again to test the buy line on the daily, even these lines are dynamic? Maybe. So I repeat again, of a range of this equilibrium of this range, it's around 134. If we'll see something like this one, yes. In this case, the June can be red one, and we can form something like this one. Double bottom on the daily, reject at the equilibrium, and only maybe in autumn we'll hit the 264. That's why, guys, it's hard to say about the timing. You can see everything by yourself. So this is just a basic, boring chop in the range. So it's not a parabolic move. Guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please send a comment what you think about a quant. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed on this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.